All right, welcome back and good morning. We have Dr. Lise Forestal joining us today. Lise, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm excited to have you. This is a really important month, National Immunization Awareness Month. And so I know Atrium's doing a lot of work to educate the community. What do we want to talk about today? What do you have to tell folks about immunizations and vaccines?
Well, immunizations are really important. It's basically a safe, simple, effective way to protect yourself against all the preventable diseases out there. You know, you're building your natural defense system by becoming resistant to these illnesses. So the next time you come in contact with them, you will basically be
right. You're prepping yourself to be prepared and safe.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
And so I know a lot of times, we have these brand new babies and we're wondering, man, should we really make sure we're getting them their vaccines now? How early do we need to start these vaccines and why is that so important?
Well, the CDC has established guidelines regarding these which vaccines they need to use. One of the most important ones this season will be the RSV, since it being the Immunization Awareness Month. Next month would be the best time to get vaccinated, since it will be an uptick in mid-September with not only the RSV vaccine, with the RSV infections, but the flu as well and COVID infections as well.
Okay, and so getting those vaccines ahead of time is great. What are signs, if maybe you have the vaccine or you don't, what are signs we should be looking out for our baby to see if they have RSV or flu? Any symptoms that we should really be alerted with?
Sure. So fever, cough, since they're so immunocompromised, it's not only the babies, the elders, those 60 and above who have chronic illnesses, as well as age 75 and above, living in nursing homes, community dwelling places. So fevers, cough, make sure you make an appointment and you get vaccinated.
Okay, and so I know something we had looked at when we had talked about it. It's not just babies that need these vaccines. We have everyone who needs these vaccines. Why is it so important that you keep up with them and you stay up to date with making sure you're vaccinated?
Just so we protect our community, basically from our babies, our elders, and ourselves, those who have these chronic illnesses, those getting chemotherapy, radiation treatments. So it's just so important. And if you'd like to get vaccinated, make sure you come to the Atrium Health Navicent Primary Care West Macon. That's where I practice to get your vaccine.
Okay, so you can find Dr. Lise there, and you need to get these vaccines, right?
You do.
All right. So if you are interested in learning more about the importance of Immunization Awareness Month, head on over to our website, 41nbc.com. And if you want to know who should be getting vaccinated, what your kiddo should have, we will have that on our website and break that down for you. Thank you so much for being here today.
It was my pleasure.
It was wonderful. All right, we'll have all that information in this interview on our website, 41nbc.com. We'll have more news and weather after the break.